for that message that warms my heart, and for the joy that you show me and that I feel even across the miles. I want to certainly thank our sister Tanika Holyfield, who it is just an honor to stand with you in the critical work that you do of empowering others, and certainly helping hands. And you know, Moses had helping hands, and darling, that's what I wish for you in your everyday, is more helping hands in the work that you do. I want to certainly thank my celebration circle sitting at this table. You know, we're nothing without those who are around us. Jesus had 12, you know, and you at least owe yourself 12 to support you and pray with you and tell you what you need to know to be your best self. And I thank you. My family is here. My beloved friends are here. My Ken doll, the man I've been married to for almost 34 years. And I don't want to know no life without him. And I'm just thankful to God. I'm thankful for my sister who has my back coming and going. And it means the world to me, these gifts that God has given me in my life. I always say that faith is nothing if it's not defining your life. If you're not getting up every day to be the empowered woman or man that God has called you to be, then wait. Don't get up. Don't go out the door until you're ready. You have to trust God without measure and know that He never ordered anything that He didn't intend to use. So I've just gotten to the point where I ask Him, what great things are we going to do today? And I'm thankful to have gotten up, Sean, some 35 years plus of my life to go to work on behalf of Black women. Yeah. It's been all right for me because it's been all right for us to ask us to own our lives and to own the queen within each of us and to celebrate our beauty to the fullest. If that's work, then I don't know it. As I said, I've never worked a day of it in my life. I'm thankful for the ancestors who went on and paved the way for me, and let us all recognize again this day that we are privileged to walk in the dreams of our ancestors. And I certainly want to thank Roland and Vivica. They're such an inspiration. We can't afford to take one another for granted. So I want to thank you all. I ask that we keep being helping hands to one another and be the spirit that moves one another forward at such a time as this. Thank you.